Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Maria Lely Despi. I'm 38 years old. I'm high school graduate. I have two kids, 18 and 15 years old.
Are you single or married?
Single.
Single. Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have an experience in Dubai.
How many years experience in your first employer in Dubai?
2 years and 1 month.
How about second employer?
2 years and 5 months.
Finish contract?
Finish contract.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
I'll take care of the baby.
What the ages?
8 months and 3 years old.
Okay. Such as?
And
You can do clean the house?
Yes, I do clean. Cooking, ironing, cleaning, feeding.
Okay, how about second employer?
Uh,
Your duties and responsibilities?
I do cooking and feeding also, and then ironing, cooking.
Did you take care of the children in your second employer?
Yes.
What the ages?
7 years old and 10 years old.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I give also the food, and then I give, every time they shower, I give the clothes. I feed them, I cook them.
Okay. Please tell us some of your skills.
I cooking, I cleaning, I ironing.
You're high school graduate?
Yes.
You can cook Filipino food?
Yes, and then Chinese food also.
Okay. What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper? You're a hardworking person?
Yeah, I hardworking person, God-fearing, loyal, honest.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
This is only I promise to you, madam. I finished my 2 years contract to be honest with you and loyal to you.
Okay, thank you so much.